Hello, it's preschool time. Welcome, it's me, Miss Sunshine. Hello, welcome. Do you have your listening ears on? If you don't, switch them on. Hoot, 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 hoot. Miss Sunshine, Miss Sunshine, there's an emergency. I don't know what day it is today. I don't know if I'm supposed to go to school. Can you help me? I don't know if it's Sunday, or is it Tuesday, or is it Friday? I'm so confused, Miss Sunshine. Ollie, it's okay to be confused. I get confused sometimes too. How about you get your fingers ready to snap along? Or, in your case, Ollie, get your wings together so you can clap along. And let's sing the days of the week. Days of the week, snap, snap. 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 There's Monday and there's Tuesday, there's Wednesday and there's Thursday, there's Friday and there's Saturday, and then there's Sunday. Days of the week, snap, snap. Days of the week, snap, snap. Days of the week, snap, snap. Days of the week. Let's do it again. There's Monday and there's Tuesday, there's Wednesday and there's Thursday, there's Friday and there's Saturday, and then there's Sunday. I hope that helps, Ollie. Before we get started, let's meditate. Take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Take another deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. One last deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Now that you're nice and relaxed, let's start today's class. We are going to start off by singing a good morning song. The good morning train is coming, how are you? Choo choo. The good morning train is coming, how are you? Choo choo. The good morning train is coming. The good morning train is coming. The good morning train is coming. How are you? Choo-choo! Look outside your window and check what the weather is while I sing the weather song. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it rainy? Is it sunny? Is it cloudy out today? What's the weather where you are? It could also be windy. It could be snowy. It could be hailing. Go check outside and check what the weather is and come back and let me know what the weather is. Now, let's go through the months of the year. How many months do we have? Let's count. January, February, March and April, May, June, July and August, September, October, November and December. These are the months of the year. I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 months of the year. What month of the year is it right now? Do you think it is January? If you guessed yes, then you are correct. Good job! Now, let's start today's lesson. Now, get up and we are gonna be singing a song about the weather. So get your wiggly fingers ready. Raindrops, raindrops, falling all around, falling on the rooftop, falling on the ground. Here's my umbrella, it will keep me dry. When I walk in the rain, I'll hold it up so high. We are going to be learning about tornadoes now. Tornadoes are also called twisters. Cool twisters. I'm going to be using First Encyclopedia by Sarah Phillip and designed by Tracy Hare to learn about different types of extreme weather. How do tornadoes happen? Do you have any idea? Well, tornadoes happen when warm, moist air crashes into cool, dry air underneath humongous storm clouds. The air from the tornado stretches all the way from the cloud to the ground. Do you think the fastest winds on planet Earth are from tornadoes? Or do you think they're from something else? If you guess tornadoes, you are correct. Tornado winds can reach up to 450 kilometers per hour. Wow, that is so fast. Tornadoes also form right above the ocean. Tornadoes that form right above the ocean are called waterspouts, and they can be very tall tornadoes, almost 328 feet tall. Wow, that is so tall. Now we're gonna work on a snowball activity. First, count for me. How many mittens do you see? Do you see 5 mittens or do you see 6 mittens? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job. There are 6 mittens. Now, we are gonna go over the color of the mittens. This is a black mitten, black. This is purple, purple. This is green, green. This is orange, orange. This is blue, blue. This is red, red. Now we are going to play a game. I'm going to hide a snowball behind one of the mittens. Then you have to guess which mitten the snowball is hidden behind by saying the color of the mitten. Here we go! Snowball, snowball, cold and round, behind which mitten can you be found? I heard orange. Let's see if it's behind the orange. Oh, no, it's not behind the orange mitten. Let's try again. Snowball, snowball, cold and round, behind which mitten can you be found? I heard red. Let's check behind the red. Oh no, it's not behind the red mitten. Snowball, snowball, cold and round, behind which mitten can you be found? Green. Oh, I heard someone say green. It's not behind the green. Snowball, snowball, cold and round, behind which mitten can you be found? Oh, let's check black. Oh, it's not behind the black. So far, we've checked the black, green, orange, red. So that means there's 2 left. Purple and blue. Snowball, snowball, cold and round, behind which mitten can you be found? Blue! Oh, I heard blue. Did you hear blue too? Okay, let's check blue. Oh, it's not behind the blue. Let's try one more time. Snowball, snowball, cold and round, behind which mitten can you be found? Oh, there it is! It was behind the purple mitten. Good job, friends! Thunder and lightning. How do you think thunderclouds happen? That's a good question. Thunderclouds happen when lots of warm and wet air goes all the way up to the clouds so fast, and all of a sudden it cools down. Then what is hail? Hailstones are frozen water droplets that can get bigger and bigger when the wind takes their hail up and down the storm cloud. Wow! Then why do we see flashes of lightning? Well, we see lightning when water in the clouds freeze. This frozen water in the clouds turns into snow and hail. When this ice starts banging and hitting each other, the strong winds cause an electrical charge to happen. This electrical charge can be seen by our eyes, and to our eyes, this electrical charge looks like lightning. Lightning that shoots all the way from the clouds, all the way down to the ground, is called forked lightning. Lightning that goes from one side of the cloud to another side of the cloud is called sheet lightning. Wow, that is so cool. Now it's time to stand up again and join in with the song and get your body moving with this song. This song is about snowflakes. Snowflake, snowflake, turn around. Snowflake, snowflake, touch the ground. Snowflake, snowflake, land on my nose. Snowflake, snowflake, tickle my toes. Snowflake, snowflake, in the air. Snowflake, snowflake, turn around. Snowflake, snowflake, touch the ground. Snowflake, snowflake, land on my nose. Snowflake, snowflake, tickle my toes. Snowflake, snowflake, in the air. Now we're gonna work on a math snowflake activity. Snowflake, snowflake, made of ice crystals. How many snowflakes do you see? Do you see 3 snowflakes or do you see 4 snowflakes? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 snowflakes. Snowflake, snowflake, made up of ice crystals. How many snowflakes do you see? Do you see 4 snowflakes or do you see 5 snowflakes? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job! Snowflake, snowflake, made of ice crystals. How many snowflakes do you see? Do you see 5 snowflakes? Or do you see 6 snowflakes? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 snowflakes. Good job, friends. Now, if I have 1 snowflake and I add 1 more snowflake, how many snowflakes do I have altogether? 1. I added another snowflake. How many snowflakes do I have together? 1, 2. 1 plus 1 equals altogether 2. Good job! Now, if I have 2 snowflakes, 1, 2, and I add 1 more snowflake, how many snowflakes do I have altogether? 2, 1, 2, plus adding 1 more. How many altogether? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. That's 3 snowflakes altogether. Now, if I have 2 snowflakes and I add 2 more snowflakes, how many snowflakes do I have all together? There's 1, 2 here and 1, 2 here. How many do we have all together? Let's count all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. If you have 2 snowflakes and then 2 more snowflakes come along, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 all together. Now, for the last one, if we have 3 snowflakes and 2 more snowflakes decided to come and join, how many snowflakes do we have all together? We have 1, 2, 3 here. We have 1, 2 here. 3 and 2 all together is, get your pointer fingers out and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job! What is a hurricane? Hurricanes are tropical storms. Well, how do they happen? Well, tropical storms, hurricanes happen over warm ocean seas when lots and lots and lots of water evaporates, goes up really fast. When this wet and warm air goes higher and higher, extremely fast, humongous storm clouds are made. Do you think hurricane winds are fast? Or do you think they are slow? If you guessed fast, then you are correct. Hurricane winds can be as fast as 320 kilometers per hour. Wow, that is so fast. Did you know in different places in the world, hurricanes have different names? They are called typhoons, tropical cyclones, and in Australia, some people call them Willy Willies. That's so funny. The Girl and the Sun. Written by Ashley McIntosh, an illustration by Alex Mertis. There once was a girl with a sun in her heart. When her sun glowed, she felt as big as the sky and watched the storms pass by. With her glowing sun, she dreamed, played, shared, and loved. She danced in the beauty of the world. One day, she noticed a rain cloud floating above her head. It talked to her all the time. Sometimes the cloud told her she was better than other people, and she felt mean. Other times the cloud told her she was worse than other people, and she felt small. The more she listened to the cloud, the more it grew and grew and grew until it became a storm cloud. It cast a shadow so dark that she forgot her sun had ever been with her. The girl decided to get rid of the cloud. She tried shooting it down with a water blaster 2000. She tried having a fist fight with it. She tried outrunning it. She ran so fast for so long that her tired legs could go no farther, and she fell flat on her face. The girl gave up. She lay in the mud and stared at the sky. She would have stayed there all night had she not heard a sound. Someone was crying. A boy sat at the edge of a pond, alone and shivering. The cloud told the girl to just walk away. Instead, she sat down beside the boy. In that instant, she felt warmth of her sun again. It had been there all along. The girl placed her cozy sweater on the boy's shoulders. When she did, rays from both their suns, turning the clouds fluffy and light like those on a blue sky day. Together they watched as the most beautiful rainbows grew and grew and grew. The girl and boy knew storms would roll in again, but they helped each other stay connected to their suns. And when their suns glowed, they danced together in the beauty of the world. What a wonderful book. What we give to the world, we get back. Each of us has a sun that lives in our heart, and we have a cloud that lives in our mind. When we let our cloud be our leader, it gets bigger and fear grows inside of us. But when we let our sun lead, it gets bigger. Love grows inside of us and spreads all. We are gonna sing a song. The song is called If It's Weather and You Know It. It's the same tune as if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. It's that same tune. Follow along. If it's windy and you know it, swing and sway. If it's windy and you know it, swing and sway. If it's windy and you know it, then your clothes will surely show it. If it's windy and you know it, swing and sway. Swoosh, swoosh. If it's sunny and you know it, wear your shades. Blink, blink, if it's sunny and you know it, wear your shades. Blink, blink, if it's sunny and you know it, your sunglasses sure will show it. If it's sunny and you know it, wear your shades. Blink, blink. If it's snowy and you know it, bundle up. If it's snowy and you know it, bundle up. If it's snowy and you know it, your coat and scarf will surely show it. If it's snowy and you know it, bundle up. If it's rainy and you know it, splash around. If it's rainy and you know it, splash around. If it's rainy and you know it, your rain boots will surely show it. If it's rainy and you know it, splash around. Good job!